What's up, YouTube? Hi, Ted here again. Got another little Sunday sharpening video for you. This is El Chapo. It's a little cheese knife that Mr. Eddie Customs, Mr. Eddie Knives made for me and for Cole, my girlfriend. So I was gonna try to put a little edge on it. I told him to leave the total edge off of it. Don't apex it, so I can put my own edge on it. You know, it's kind of pretty good for a sharpening video too. It's a little cleaver shape, So let's see what we got. 15 degrees is what I got there. So probably need to be a little higher now. It's going for maybe like 17. Let's see. Right, 17.2. That's 17.1. That's good. 17.1. All right. So just put a little edge on. I'm starting out with my most coarse grit. This is the 150. TS Prof Cadet Pro. That's what I'm using to sharpen it with. And I really I've never sharpened this type of steel. I'm not even sure what. I think it's 1084 is what Mr. Eddie said. He can correct me down in the comments. I'm sure he will. But I think he said 1084, I believe. Not really as familiar with fixed blade steels. I'm sure that'll show, but yeah, I figured I'd start out with the most coarse grit, put about a 17-degree edge bevel on it. Burr yet? Not quite. Let's see. Put a little more of that lapping fluid on there. I don't think I quite have a burr yet. Might have to go down to the 50 grit on the, let's see if I can find it. I got a 50 grit KME over here somewhere. The Beast. Might have to go a size down, start with that 50 grit Beast just to get going on it. It's one thing that I like about the KME is you can adjust it, so you can use the 4-inch stones. All right, you can size it up for the 4-inch stones, the ones that are in the KME, or you can put the regular 6-inch stones that it comes with in there. Either or. So the good thing about the TS Pro is it's a little more flexible on, as far as that goes. So this is the 50 grit Beast. You can actually hear the difference. This thing's crazy, really coarse stone. Takes a lot of takes a lot of metal off real quick compared to the 150 grit and 100 grit. What I'd really like to do one day, I'd like to get to see if I can get like a 6-inch long beast, you know, like the beast that the KME offers. You know, I like to have the same stone but 6 inches long. You know, I can take even more off then, which it's coming along. Doesn't quite have a burr yet. Feels like it's starting to get there. Flip her over. A little bit of a burr there. Pretty decent little burr there. Make sure the bevels are even on both sides. Now we'll go back down to the 150? Yeah, go back down to the 150 grit, but before I do that, I got to readjust my stone holder. So slide that back out. All right. So where is get a big towel here? Start on the 150. Just go down through it, trying to keep the edge bevels the same on both sides. It's the most important thing. And as you go down, or go up in your grip progression, you're going to do less passes, right? So by the time I get up to 600, which is going to be my final, whenever I get up to 600, I'm just going to do maybe like one pass per side. And that'll probably be about it. Definitely getting a good little burr there, so that's good. All right. Take this out. Go up. At a 220. That one's a coarse. Flip her over. All right, go from coarse from the 220, and we're gonna go to medium. This is our second to last one. So at this point, we're only gonna do 2 passes. You don't have to put this fluid on there. I just think it's better to kind of reduce the micro serrations or not micro serrations, the kind of micro scratches and stuff that come along with a fixed angle system. And also it kind of helps with the sharpening a little bit, I believe, but that's just me. You don't have to put the lapping fluid on there. It's not like required to do it. Flip her over. All right, last pass. All right, I had to skip out there a second. I had a visitor. But this is the last pass. This is the 600 grit. It's going to be our final one for the El Chapo, the Mr. Eddie Custom cheese knife. Can't wait to give this thing a try. Looks like a mean little fixed blade. All right, now we're going to flip it. Do a couple of upward passes on each side. Flip it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. Take her out. See what we got going on here. All right. Looks like she's got a pretty good edge to her. I can find some paper around here. Oh yeah, he definitely cut. All right, sweet. Now I think that's it. I got to clean this mess up. But all right. So that is TS Prof Cadet Pro fixed angle sharpening system. I'll wipe the excess metal off of there. And this is the Mr. Eddie Knives Custom El Chapo. And we're going to go give this thing a try with some cheese and stuff or something. So appreciate everybody watching. Y'all go check out Mr. Eddie if you haven't already. It's Mr. Eddie _411 on Instagram. Go give him a follow. He makes all kinds of cool stuff. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. And I really appreciate it. Until next time, have a good one.